Hello, good morning friends. Now let us see the one question, good question student. Which of the following carbonates of alkali metal has the least thermal stability? So dear student, when you are going down to group student, okay, so that is thermal stability of carbonate decreases student. So down the group student, what is happening? Lattice enthalpy decreases. So since the lattice enthalpy decreases student, what will happen student if the lattice enthalpy decreases? So thermal stability, thermal stability also decreases. Thermal stability also decreases. Okay. So dear student, if you talk about the option which is correct option student, Li2CO3 is the least stable student. They are asking least thermal stability. So option number A is correct student. Now student, let us read out the here. Most stable is cesium carbonate, then rubidium carbonate, potassium carbonate, sodium carbonate, and least stable is lithium carbonate. Now students, if you talk about here reagent, they are saying the reactivity of alkali metal carbonate is very similar since these are almost entirely of the anion. Okay, CO3 2 minus lithium carbonate varies slightly from the rest as the electropositive character increases from lithium to cesium. Okay, electropositive character increases from lithium to cesium. The stability of carbonate and hydrogen carbonate increases in the same order. Down the group lithium to cesium, it is increasing. For example, lithium carbonate, sodium carbonate, potassium carbonate, rubidium carbonate, and cesium carbonate. Even bicarbonate is also stability increasing down the group. Lithium hydrogen carbonate, sodium hydrogen carbonate, potassium hydrogen carbonate, rubidium hydrogen carbonate, and cesium hydrogen carbonate. The thermal stability of the alkali metal carbonate, that is its decomposition to their oxides and carbonate, increases with the increase in the size of cation. Okay, what is meaning of student? As the size of cation increases, so thermal stability increases. The thermal stability of alkali metal carbonates, its decomposition to their oxide and carbon dioxide increases with increase in the size of cation. Let us have a look over it student. Like M2CO3, it is decomposing in M2O and CO2. The decomposition of carbonate and bicarbonate takes place because of oxide of alkali metal are more stable there than their oxo acids salt. The relative ease of decomposition are parallel and decreases the ionic radius of the cation from cesium to lithium. Okay, cesium to lithium, which in turn increases the lattice energy of the solid reaction product, increases the lattice energy. The lattice energy of the carbonates of alkali metal varies from one another in the smaller amount as mainly depends upon the larger anion, that is CO3 2 minus. Moreover, the lithium are being smaller in size polarizes large CO3 2 minus ion and giving a larger covalent character. So lithium carbonate is covalent character. The difference in lattice energy of carbonates and oxide of alkali metal decreases on moving from lithium to cesium. Okay, so that is lattice enthalpy decreasing from lithium. Hence, lesser is the tendency of carbonate to decompose to oxide down the group. The aqueous solution of carbonate of alkaline are alkaline. This is due to the hydrolysis of carbonate salt of strong bases and weak acid H2CO3. So here M2CO3 is decomposing in M2 H2CO3 and MOH. So strong. So dear student, what is the basic mean of the question? Down the group lattice enthalpy decreases. Lattice enthalpy decreases, and if the lattice enthalpy decreases, due to as the size factor not in proportion. So not in proportion, so down the group thermal stability, what is happening student? Decreases. Thermal stability increases. Thermal stability, what is happening student? Down the group thermal stability increases. Here is lattice enthalpy also increasing student. I explained wrongly. Lattice enthalpy increasing down the group. Lattice enthalpy increasing. Okay. Let us have once more, that is where lattice enthalpy increasing. Here it is mentioned student. You see lithium carbonates vary slightly from rest of electropositive character of lithium cesium. The stability of carbonate and hydrogen carbonate increases in the same order. So they are saying, now they are saying that is why it is happening student. Here they have said that is the relative ease decomposition of parallel decreases ionic radius of the cation cesium to lithium. This is decreasing, which in turn increases the lattice energy. Okay, which is in turn increases the lattice energy of the solid reaction product. So that is what they are saying. Down the group, the lattice energy of carbonate of alkali metal varies from one another. A smaller amount of its mainly depend upon the larger anion. Moreover, the lithium is being smaller in size polarizes CO3, giving the larger covalent character. Thus, the difference in lattice energy of carbonate and oxide mainly decreases on moving from lithium to cesium. So here they are saying lattice energy, student keep in mind, lattice energy of carbonate and oxide of alkali metal decreases on moving from lithium to cesium. Hence, lesser tendency of carbonate to decompose to oxide. So down the group it will not decompose. Thank you so much for watching friends.